my name's Jessica Nickel, and I'm here to propose an indoor garden at CM Finch Elementary School, specifically called a vertical hydroponics garden. So my contents are an executive summary, problem, proposed solution, costs, and why indoor hydroponics garden is a great idea. So in my executive summary, I want to propose that room 113, which is the grade 5 room at the elementary school, has a vertical hydroponic system because I think it will add a great inclusive space at the school, as well as the North Peace Seniors housing could use this garden in the summer. So how vertical hydroponic systems works. So at the bottom there's fertilizer and water, and that gets pumped up through the system, through the vertical tube, and it's continuously rotating through that, as well as you can grow plants and herbs, and the system is best in a south-facing room where there's sun. It can also be used outdoors though, and I'll talk about that in a little bit. And you can harvest all of those greens and produce every 2 to 6 weeks, depending on what you're growing. So it's a cost-effective proposal, and it can be in the existing room, nothing has to be changed, as well as at most we will only spend $550 total. So the problem is that CM Finch room 113, not all the space is being fully utilized. There's space for this garden, as well as the class wants to learn how to garden. And there is a great option with adding this vertical hydroponic system. The seniors can also use it within the summer because they don't actually have anything, and that's the problem right now. As well as the healthy snacks aren't very readily available up in the north, and this could be a way to do so. So my proposed solution is that we add this vertical hydroponic system. It can grow vegetables and herbs, and it will provide a community gathering place at the school. We have ample space in this room, and the natural light coming in is ideal. We can also add some light bulbs that will help with that, and I'll talk about that, as well as I'll go through the fundraising and donations because that is a possibility. So we want to get the caretaker on board that can monitor this system over weekends and longer breaks. But this system is pretty cool because we can actually put it outdoors May through September in the spring, and that seniors home can utilize it. This garden will continue to grow during the summer, and they can get a lot of crops off of it as well. You only actually need about 50 centimeters all the way around, so not that much space. And the company owners are actually coming back to Canada every summer, so if there's any problems, those can be solved then. So for the cost, it's about 25 kids in this classroom, and so I propose that we do $20 from each parent, and then there's $500 right there to get us up and running. So a return on that investment could be that each parent that donates gets 2 bunches of vegetables back as we go through our crops. The parents who don't need that return, that vegetables and produce can go to the food bank or used as a snack program at the school, as well as they could do a fun bake sale fundraiser at the school to gain an extra $50 to $100 just in case there is any extra fees. What's included, so you get 1 grow tube, the plant reservoir, which is the support base, an electric pump, and all of the fittings, as well as you get a planting tool, a starter kit, which is the nutrients that you'll need, and again, it only takes up about 50 centimeters. So the costs will be about $260 for the system, $33 for the sunlight bulbs, which aren't 100% needed, but they're ideal. Shipping about $150 because this is coming from Saskatchewan, and then the fertilizer nutrients are actually coming with the product as well, but we added $20 on there so we can get through an entire year, and the sprouts and seeds will only actually cost about $20 as well. So $483 for the entire system, and then a $67 buffer with those fundraisers. So why indoor hydroponics garden? Anyone of any age can do it, of course, and it would create a great welcoming space for these kids, and they would have this opportunity to work on this when they're done their homework, and that would be an exciting thing for them, as well as we can share it with the seniors. And with urban gardening being a sustainable way in the future, this is a great way to start these kiddos off. So why indoor hydroponics garden? So it's a flexible grow sites. The grow tube is durable. We can move this, as I said. It's a feasible option for gardening inside. It's not messy, none of those raised beds. Use the space efficiently. You can actually grow 3 to 8 times more produce in this amount of space, as well as it's less energy wasting and more efficient. You're not actually creating any waste, so it's nice and eco-friendly. Start those kids learning this, as well as it's easily transferable. So that means we can bring it to that senior's home in the summer. So we grow mostly green leafy vegetables with a system like this, but you can also grow peppers and strawberries. And there's my references, and thanks so much for listening to my proposal, and have a great day.